Hello guys, I am Toby. Today I'm going to make a video about POI or place of interest. At my back you can see Tamu Donggongon. I am at Donggongon. Today is Monday, so you can see clear because the Tamu started on Wednesday till Friday, as early as 7 a.m. till 8 p.m. So today a little bit clear, in conjunction with the Visit Malaysia 2020. This video is for you. You can come here. It's about 15 minutes from KK. From KK, 15 minutes. If you're using a bus, a little bit cheaper. Then if you like, you can use also Grab, but expensive a bit. So today is Monday. Usually the Tamu started on Wednesday, but it's okay. Saya boleh secepat masak. So tembang masak, kita start. Kita cepat masak. Okay.